Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from AgriMedSoft Research Company, and today I'm going to teach you how to remove spaces from Excel. So you can see here I have some sort of data, I have some text, and then I have some numbers. Now for removing spaces from the text data, I just need to go to the next cell, type an equal, and then go to trim. So the trim removes all spaces from a text string except for single spaces between words. So that's what trim does, and I just double click on that, and you can see here it says define your text. So my text is now right here, and then I close the parentheses, and you can see that the excess spaces are removed, but the standard space is now right here. So if I just copy this cell and this formula to all of them, let's see what happens. Okay, you can see that it works pretty correct for the text data, but for the numbers, if you have seen already this type of data that sometimes you can see these extra spaces, you don't want any of them. Okay, you don't want even one of them. It's not meaningful in working with numbers. So here, what can I do? Here the thing you will do is that go to Control F. I just press Control F, and then it says find and replace. Find what? I just select these ones, press Control F, find what, find and space. I just one click on space, and then replace with nothing. Okay, replace with empty. Okay, replace. You can see this will be replaced. Replace all, and then you can see we made 84 replacements. So there was 84 spaces, extra spaces. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to AgriMedSoft channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.